Today we got a video from Body Cam Files, and the title of the video is Police Surprise Man Terrorizing His Neighborhood. Let's get into the video.
Police respond to a residence after a woman called stating her next-door neighbor had just exposed himself to her while she was unloading her groceries.
Okay.
Yeah, was doing that shit. Was in that house next door to her.
So the next one with that fork truck?
Yeah. The dude is psyched out.
Okay.
He's off.
Did he go back inside?
I guess.
Okay.
But he's beat up his parents and shit. They put him in fucking jail and all this shit. I don't know why they let him come back, but
What did you see? Did you see?
I didn't see it. My neighbor's out there over there with my wife. I guess her niece and her niece was getting ready to leave, and he was over there between the houses just to getting on it.
Between this house and that house?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
I'm the neighbor's over here. He was just locked up for beating up his mother.
He pulled his pants all the way down, or just to the knees?
All the way down. He has his
so
pants
all the way down
in
to his
the
feet
air first.
Okay.
And he like masturbated and stuff, and then he put his pants down. He's like, hey, hey. When he said, hey, hey, I look. I was like, I kind of looked like that, and he was like,
what happened after that? Did he just turn away and came inside?
He came inside and called me.
Understandable. That's probably my partner. It's his parents, I think.
Okay.
These are parents.
Hello.
Are you guys able to get him to come outside and talk to us?
We'll see.
I think the neighbor's neighbor, the older white lady that was in there, called the parents.
Well, that's good.
Who wants what now?
Hi.
Whose heart is beat?
What happened?
About what? I'm sleeping.
You were sleeping?
I'm sleeping.
248, 86, 10, 12. What happened like 10 minutes ago? Did something happen with your
10
neighbors?
minutes ago.
I don't know, something with your neighbors.
I don't know. What's 10 minutes ago?
Approximately 11:45.
So how could you tell?
Huh?
How could you tell?
Because somebody told us the time.
Tell you time of what?
So, that something happened outside.
On
With you.
who? On me with what?
I'm asking.
That's what I want to know too.
Yeah, we're trying to just get your
So I want to know what the truth is. Why are you trying to drag truths out of me if you know what the truths are?
I don't know what the truths are. That's
Well,
why
then
I'm
I want to know
asking.
what the truths are as well.
Okay. Can you tell me what happened?
Well, who happened with what?
Outside.
With who?
on the side of the house.
What house? This is garbage.
Okay. You don't know anything about what happened?
No, I
or-
don't know what's going on.
Okay. Did something happen with your neighbors?
I don't know who's neighbor. Who's the neighbor here?
I don't know. I'm asking.
I am speaking. Am I not speaking?
You are. You're just speaking in riddles. I'm just trying to figure out what happened, man.
Yeah, let me know what happens.
I'm asking you.
Well, let me know what happens.
Okay. All right. So you don't know what happened. You don't want to talk to me about the situation or
So
anything.
what's going to be the situation now?
I'm asking you, man. Why are you being like that with me? Just talk
Why
to
am
me.
I being like this? Why am my heart not being steady? Why is my heart not being kept steady?
Okay.
Where's my medication? Where is my mother smoking? And why is my stepfather still there?
I don't know.
So whose right are you trying to arrest here?
What?
Whose right are you trying to arrest?
Man, I'm just trying to find out
So
what
why
happened.
is there three of you and there's only, where's the squadron? Where's the police cars and why are they parked over there and they're not parked right here in front?
Because we don't.
Truck's parked right here.
Okay, but whose truck is that?
Probably yours.
Whose truck is it?
Is it yours?
Do you want me to get a chain?
No.
Excuse me, I got a chain here
No.
somewhere.
No. Turn around. Put your hands behind your back. Nope.
See what happens to you, Mom? Where am I going?
To jail.
You gonna arrest me already?
Yep.
Ma, I pledge allegiance.
It's not your mom.
Look,
Don't-
look,
Stop
I'm
it.
sorry.
Stop.
I'm sorry, but I'm
Stop.
stronger than what you think.
Stop.
Stop.
Why are you trying to arrest me,
Stop.
Ma?
It's not your mom.
That is not fair, Erwin.
Stop.
Who called the police on who? Don't you see I have to get my property? I have to get my things
You let
together?
go of this.
You can let go of this.
Your parents have
No.
nothing to do with this, okay?
This is a good
Let
book.
go of this.
No.
Let go.
No.
Let go.
Let go.
Let go.
These dudes is bugged out. It wouldn't surprise me if he does take medication. That's what he was saying. Yeah, look, what about my medication? Da da da. Dude look like Looney Tunes, man. Bugged out. Buzz Bunny type shit. You feel me? Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Who even comes up with that? Like, oh, my neighbor's here. Let me whack it. Like, who does that, man? Dude's a sick freak. Okay. Don't make no sense, man. These guys, man. That's why you gotta watch out who your neighbors is, man. You got a lot of, I think there's certain apps and stuff like that you can download. And I'm not saying he's a PDF file or anything like that, but I'm saying, you know, you gotta pay attention to who's in your neighborhood. Or if you stay in a building, who's in your building, man, because people like this they not wrapped too tight. I'm trying to tell you.
Yeah, what you got?
It's a bat. It's like a book or something.
I don't know what it is.
I didn't do nothing but tell you to stop trying to do these things to me.
Okay. Let's just walk.
Yeah.
I don't want to go to jail, man. I told you I can't be in jail. They already told you what. Look, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. But look, I don't have nothing on me.
Okay.
Just wait, ma'am.
Wait, man. Man, you know the right to release me, man. Why would you do this to me?
Let's go.
Sir, you need to walk with us, okay?
They don't have to take me to jail. Better than taking me to circle of care. Because I don't have to come in a jail cell. Look, the last time I went to jail, they tried to take my life.
Whatever you want.
How can you try to take me to jail, sir? Going to jail.
I can just.
For what? What's the charge? What's the charge? On who? On who? And whose life is this?
You did transport. I want you to follow anyway. So
Yeah.
I'm gonna go on the other side. Lean up against my car.
Sir, I swear to God, I tell you the truth. It was the truth, but look what the truth is.
So we're trying to find out the truth from you.
Well, sir, I'm telling you the truth, sir. On behalf of people who lie to me, I don't lie to officers.
Okay, I appreciate you.
So why can't I go to
Can you
circles
let
of
go
care?
of this book, please?
Yes.
Please send me to circles of care. I'm gonna claim what? A jail cell of what?
You committed a crime.
But
He has
sir,
a key.
there was
He has
no
one.
crime. Listen,
Let
listen
go.
to me.
Let go.
There was no crime.
Let go of the
Let
car.
go of
Let
the
go
car
of the
key.
key. Let go of the key. Thank you.
I need my wallet. I need all my stuff. No, I cannot enter your premises until I see my belongings.
You're gonna get charged with resisting.
I'm not charging resistance,
Okay.
but I don't want to go to jail.
Get in the car.
Listen, I want to go to circles of care.
You don't get that choice.
Well, who gets a choice in right in life when he's already
Sit
told
in the
that
car.
He's the
Sit in the car.
Listen, sir.
You can be Baker acted at the jail.
Hey, can I give this back to your mom?
No, I want to go to circles of care.
That's not
Well,
what
I
I'm
have
asking.
a nervous breakdown right now. You took it from me.
Okay, well get it yourself. What do you want to
No, I want to call my lawyer right now.
You can't call him right now. So here's what
Who
I'm.
says no?
Just take a second.
The law is
Listen
the
to me.
law, man.
Just listen to me. This book.
You didn't even read me my rights.
And
I
these
read you
keys.
your rights.
Yeah. I mean,
You can easily give me a court date and let me
No, I
go.
can't.
What's the-
sure can't. Did you want this?
Okay, I know. You've been doing a lot of work.
Yeah, just 4 easy reports. It's fine.
William was charged with exposure of sexual organs, first offense, and resisting arrest. He was found guilty.
Wait. I switched it too soon. Hold on.
Yeah, just 4 easy reports. It's fine.
William was charged with exposure of sexual organs, first offense, and resisting arrest. He was found guilty on both and sentenced to 6 months county probation and a 90-day county jail sentence with 32 days credited for time served.
Okay, all right. At least he got a little jail time. Okay. Ain't too bad. You know, what, 90 days? 6 months probation, 90 days for whacking off in front of your neighbor? I mean, yeesh. What a world we live in, man. That's insane. Anyway, man, I think the cops did pretty well. Yeah, so I'm gonna give the cops probably 4 out of 5. I think they did pretty well. It's very important, like I said, it's very important to find out the types of people that you live around, man, because this is, and what can they parents do? You know what I mean? Like, your son is acting out like this. This is crazy. Anyways, yeah, so let me know how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.